Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. This is tutorial number 4 on Conic section. This tutorial has a question related to center of conic. So without wasting any time, let's get started. There is just one question in this tutorial and I'll teach you how to solve in two different ways which we have discussed in the lecture before. So the question says find the center of the conic. And the equation is given 14x square minus 4xy plus 11y square minus 44x minus 58y plus 71 is equal to 0. So accordingly, the value of a is equal to 14, h is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 11, g is equal to minus 22, f is equal to minus 29, and c is equal to 71. As you know that these are the coefficient of x square, xy, y square, x, y and c respectively. And we have solved this using the general equation of conic. So the first method which we have discussed in the lecture was the partial differentiation method. And we use the sign s for the equation of conic. So dou s by dou x. We are partially differentiating the equation of conic with respect to x, and that is 28x minus 4y, since the differentiation of x is 1 and y is treated as constant, so minus 4y plus 11y square will be 0 since there is no x term, minus 44, this will be 0, this will be 0, so this is dou s by dou x, which would be equated to 0 afterwards, and hence by taking 4 common we'll get 7x minus y is equal to 11. Now similarly for dou s by dou y, so dou s by dou y will be, this would be 0, this will be minus 4x, since x is treated as constant, this will be plus 22y, this is 0, minus 58, and for 71 differentiation will be equal to 0. And again we're gonna equate this to 0, and hence by taking 2 in common we'll get 11y minus 2x is equal to 29. So easily we can substitute the value of y from here, that is 7x minus 11 in this equation. So 11 times 7x minus 11 minus 2x is equal to 29. So 77x minus 2x will be equal to 75x. 11 into minus 11 is minus 121, which will go on to the right hand side, and we're going to add 29 to 121, and this will be equal to 150. So the value of x will be equal to 2, and by substituting the value of 2 in this equation we'll get the value of y is equal to 3, and this is the desired center of the conic represented by letter S in this question. So this is by the partial differentiation method. The next method is by using the discriminant method. So using the discriminant method, it is A, H, G, H, B, F, and again the first column written over here. And we're going to cross multiply the terms this gives the numerator of x, this gives the numerator of y, and this is the denominator for both. So first we're gonna find the value of ab minus h square, and that is equal to 14 into 11 minus 2 whole square. So this is 154 minus 4, that is equal to 150. Now for the numerator part of x, that is hf minus bg, by cross multiplication we put the minus sign between it. So hf minus bg will be equal to minus 2 times, that is the value of h. F is minus 29 minus b is 11 and g is minus 22, which will make this as positive. So minus minus cancel. This is 58. 58 plus 242, that is equal to 300. And similarly, hg minus af will give the numerator for the y part, and that would be equal to minus 2 times 22 with a minus sign minus a is 14, f is minus 29, and again this value will be positive. And by solving this, we'll get the value as 450. 44 plus 406. So x comma y is equivalent to hf minus bg divided by ab minus h square, comma hg minus af upon ab minus h square. So x comma y is represented respectively. So just substituting the value, we'll get 300 by 150, which is equal to 2, and for y 450 by 150 we'll get 3, and hence 2 comma 3 is the desired center of the conic, which we found from both the ways, by partial differentiation as well as by the discriminant method. So guys, this is it from this video. I hope you learned how to find the center of the conic by both the methods. Thank you guys for watching. This is Yojit Bhasin signing off. Meet you in the next video.